Here we are in June and our spring flowering perennials have gone over and are starting to go to seed. Here we have some Delphiniums which we've obviously grown in a pot, and one of the things you should watch out for when growing things in a pot is the ability for them to dry out very quickly. And we've had a very hot spring and a mixture of sunshine and wind has caused these plants to dry out, which has made them look a little bit worse for wear. So what we're going to do is just cut the flower stems off at the base. In the garden, you may want to leave them to go to seed and collect the seed for sowing at a later date, or you may wish to cut them back. If you cut them back, you're keeping the energy in the plant so that it will grow back with vigour and be strong, and you'll have a lovely display next year. When the plants produce a seed, they use a lot of energy to do so, so they may not be as vigorous next year. These plants are still in their infancy, so we want to encourage them to grow back bigger next year.